Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Limpiar Cleaning channel. Today we've got an exciting topic for you, how to elevate your home hygiene with the best cleaning services right here in Dallas. So let's dive in. We all know how crucial a clean home is for our well-being. It's not just about appearances, it's about creating a healthy and hygienic environment for you and your family. And when it comes to achieving the best cleanliness standards, Limpiar is your go-to in Dallas. At Limpiar, we take cleanliness seriously. Our professional team is not just here to clean. They are here to elevate your home hygiene to the next level. Let me tell you why Limpiar stands out. We are committed to excellence. Our team undergoes extensive training to ensure they are equipped with the latest cleaning techniques and industry best practices. When you choose Limpiar, you're choosing professionalism and dedication. We understand that every home is unique, and that's why our services are tailored to meet your specific needs. Limpiar provides personalized solutions, ensuring that your home receives the attention it deserves, addressing individual requirements for a pristine living space. When we talk about cleanliness, we mean deep cleaning. Limpiar offers comprehensive deep cleaning services to give your home a fresh start. We leave no corner untouched, ensuring that your home is not just clean but revitalized. Limpiar covers all areas of your home, from kitchens to bathrooms, living spaces to bedrooms. Our team is equipped to handle various surfaces and materials, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. We take care of the details so you can enjoy a spotless home. Our commitment to excellence extends to our tools. Limpiar invests in state-of-the-art cleaning equipment and technology. We use cutting-edge tools to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of our cleaning processes, ensuring optimal results for your home. But it's not just about being effective, it's about being responsible. Limpiar is dedicated to environmentally friendly cleaning practices. We use eco-friendly cleaning products that are safe for your family, pets, and the environment. It's cleanliness with a conscience. Don't just take our word for it. Our clients speak for us. Positive testimonials and reviews highlight the satisfaction of our clients. At Limpiar, we believe in transparent communication and prioritize your feedback throughout the cleaning process. So if you're in Dallas and looking to elevate your home hygiene, Limpiar is here for you. Experience the difference of a truly clean and hygienic home with our commitment to excellence. Contact us today for a free consultation and let Limpiar transform your living space. Your home deserves the best, and Limpiar delivers. Don't settle for ordinary. Choose Limpiar for the best cleaning services in Dallas. Happy cleaning.